Hey guys, in today's video, I have the Truewants Mystery Bag Volume 2 Crossbody and more. If you're curious to see what kind of fun goodies they put in this bag, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have for you Volume 2 of the Truewants Need It Bag. Now, the first volume was so super great. I loved everything in that bag, and it was only $18.99. Now, the second bag is $21.99, including shipping. So I'm really excited to see what she put in this one. I so can't wait. Now, I know that she did cover some of the items that were in this bag on her channel, but I did not watch any of those videos. And I know some people have already posted videos on what's in this bag, but I didn't watch any of those either. I'm steering clear of everything because I want to be completely surprised like I was with the first bag. I didn't watch anything on that first one either because I like to be surprised. It's a mystery bag. I want it to remain a mystery until I open it up. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with Truewants, they do have their own YouTube channel where she covers a lot of things on her channel as far as skincare goes, makeup, all of that kind of stuff. She's very knowledgeable on that kind of stuff. So if you want to watch somebody unbox it, you can watch me, and I don't know what I'm talking about, or you can jump over to her channel once I'm done unboxing it and find out what the heck all the stuff does, because I have no idea. But she's very knowledgeable in that arena, so if you haven't checked her out, make sure you jump over and check out her channel. Without further ado, let's see what's in this bag. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. I'm so excited. I'm like feeling it. I kind of know what's happening here. And there was kind of a little bit of a giveaway in the title of the bag, but that's okay. Let's pop this open and see what's inside. Woo! So excited. Okay, it is tight in there, guys. All right, I got everything out. All right, awesome. So it is in this tissue paper. I just kind of want to show you how it's packaged up here in the tissue paper with a little thank you sticker on top. This is super cute. Fun. Let's see. Boom. Here. Ooh, wow. Lots of stuff. Ooh, look at this. This is exciting. Okay. I'm saying look at this. I'm not showing you anything. That's not a great unboxing, is it? So I love how she clipped her little business card on this little clip. How awesome is this? Guys, I love this. This is like, it's like an alligator clip that goes in your hair. I wear this kind of stuff all the time. I'm really excited about this. So you guys are going to see this a lot on the channel. This is so super cute and super fun. Wow, I'm really excited. But let me show you the back of this. My nail got caught in it. So cute, so fun. Yay! Guys, I'm really pumped about that. So the first item is awesome. So this has her business card, and it's www.improvinglifestyles.com. That's where you can get the bag. I will have it linked in the description box below, so make sure that you jump over and get your bag as soon as you watch me unbox mine. I know you're going to want one for sure. So yeah, that is awesome. And it just says accessorizing your style, and it is a affordable style. Awesome! Okay. So that was the first thing in here in this nice little baggie. So let's see what else we got. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. All right, so this looks great. Looks like a lipstick. Yes! All right, I'm super pumped. So they also have another card in here. It says that this is their Truewants channel. So here is that business card. We'll zoom in on that guy for you so that you can see all of that information. Like I said, I will have her channel linked in the description box below, so make sure you check her out. So this is, ooh, it's hot red. So this is La Mousse Deep Color Lip Balm in deep red. All right, let me zoom in on this here so you guys can see this. And now I'm going to open it up. Oh, it has the thing. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. I hope I can. But it says closed and open. So I would have been like tugging forever and it wouldn't have opened. So awesome. So let's turn it to the open side, I guess, right? Oh my gosh. Okay. The other way. Awesome. Dude, this is a serious lipstick. I mean, they really don't want you to get in. Ooh, nice red color. Look at that. Yes. So this is great packaging though. Wow. Ooh, yes. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's going to be a great color. So I can tell you right now, it feels really moisturizing, which is awesome. That's exactly what you want. Look at that. This packaging is great. I've never seen a lipstick or a lip balm that like screw tops on. That is really cool. So you know this thing is not falling off. There you go. pretty awesome, guys. I am so happy with this one so far. The first two things were completely awesome. And I haven't even gotten to the meat and potatoes of what's in this bag. Okay. So the next thing, the Naked Bee Moisturizing Hand and Body Lotion. Guys, my hands are suffering so much with all of this weather and the washing of the hands. So here's the lip balm. Oh my gosh, this bag is amazing so far. I am really excited. Okay, so this is Orange Blossom Honey is the scent. So we're going to pop this open. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, we're going to put some on the hands right now. Oh, I'm sure it's probably sealed. She puts good quality products in here. And I could smell it through the seal, guys. I could totally smell it. All right. So let's see how long it takes me to get this open and how many of you guys tune out at this point of the video. Awesome. Oh, I get a better smell, but I could smell it through the thing. Okay, guys. We're just going to put a smidget on my hands right now. There it is. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, that smell is great. Oh, this is awesome, guys. Oh, my hands need this so bad. Oh yeah, for sure. I've already rubbed in my lip balm there. That's awesome. Oh, this smells great. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. So you get 2.25 fluid ounces in this little container. I was going to call it a jar, but it's not a jar. So that's what you get. This is awesome, guys. Okay, so that was the first three things. Now we're to the meat and potatoes. Let's check it out. All right. So exciting. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Yes, leather. Oh my God, leather. Guys, this bag was $21.99. I just want to stress that. $21.99, including shipping. That's here in the United States, by the way. Okay. Ooh, what a great color. This is so, oh my God. Oh my gosh. You guys. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. I'm sorry. I'm not showing it to you. Let me come back a little bit because I'm up too close to the camera. Guys, this is handcrafted genuine leather. Look at that. This color is stunning. Oh my gosh, I love this color because when you think leather, at least when I think leather, I'm always thinking black or brown. This is a lovely burgundy color. Okay, so let's dig into this thing so that I can show you some more of what's happening here. So, ooh, a nice compartment for your cards and your ID. Love it. Guys, I would totally use this because I'm not a big purse using person unless it's my Louis Vuitton. I have one Louis Vuitton purse. And I'm so excited that I own one. But yeah, I will rock a ginormous Louis if someone gave one to me. Look at this, guys. So then we have this top pocket here. Plenty of storage spaces. And then we have this second pocket right here. Right in front of this one. Or behind, I'm sorry. And then back here, we have another little pocket. Awesome. And there's also another one. Look at this. Compartments for days. You guys can make sure you separate everything so everything isn't just all shoved down into your purse and you can never find it. Love that. And then there's the inside part. Super, super awesome. And then of course you have this nice long strap. I'm going to go ahead and take this off because this bad boy is definitely for me. I'm not giving this to anybody. No way, no way, no way. Okay. So, ooh, yes, a nice long adjustable strap. Look at that bad boy. Yes. I mean, yes, this is like a crossbody purse. So when you guys want me to jump? Woo! Did you get it at all? That's fun. Okay, so yeah, so when you're, out and shopping and all that kind of stuff, it's really nice to have a crossbody like this. I really like this a lot. I love all the little compartments in it. Guys, $21.99 including shipping. You have to get one of these. Oh my gosh, talk about a great Christmas gift. So if you're not a purse carrying person yourself, get one of these for somebody that you know and love because this is 100% worth it. So I got this awesome purse. Just to recap, I got the Naked Bee Moisturizing Hand and Body Lotion. So awesome. I'm really excited about that. This awesome La Muse Deep Color Hot Red Lip Balm. So excited about that. This is a great bag. Oh my God. She really knocked out of the park with this one. The first one was good. This one's even better. And then I got this super cute hair accessory. Guys, Truewants Need It bag. I've linked it in the description box below. It's improvinglifestyles.com. Make sure that you check out their website. They have a ton of other really nice things for sale on that website. They do leather goods, so you'll see things like this, and their Truewants Need It bag, of course, they have that for sale as well. And I'm telling you guys, this is an amazing deal for $21.99, including shipping. You have to get one. So if you haven't jumped over and got yours yet, make sure that you do that as soon as you're done watching this video. And if you're not subscribed to Truewants channel, make sure you subscribe to her channel as well, because she has knowledge for days on all of like products, beauty products, and things like that. So if you're always wondering how to use this, what does this do, definitely jump over her channel. She will fill you in on whatever it is you need to know. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! And in today's video, I have for you the second volume of the Truewants Need It bag. Love it when I draw a blank. Like I'm building up, I'm like, Truewants! Don't know. All right, try it again. And in today's video, I have for you the... I don't want to say it like that. In my head, I already said it, but I didn't say it to you guys. Totally fine. Let's try it again. And in today's video, I have for you volume 2 of, is that 4? That's like 4. So maybe I should, yeah, try it again. And in today's video, I have for you volume 2 of the Truewants, that didn't work out, of, try it again. All right. What's up, gorgeous people? What happened there? People. Try it again. I'm really excited to find out. So without further ado, let's see what's in this thing. I was good till then. Okay, guys. So here's my bag. That worked. I don't know. That looks kind of weird.